Hey guys, right now we are going to Baguio City pero kulang yung pamasahe namin kaya lumipad na lang kami at nag-teleport.
Teka, nasa na yun?
So ayun na nga guys, andito na tayo sa Baguio City and it's getting darker. At dahil nga kulang tayo sa budget, mag-jeep tayo para tipid kasi mahal pag taxi. Grabe guys, dito sa Baguio ang pinipilahan, jeep. Sa Ifugao ang pinipilahan namin, hamul, pinangan, or whatever you call it. In English, community feeding program. With a summer breeze rolling through my hair, not a care in the world, and a clear blue. So yun na nga guys, after exactly 50 minutes or almost 1 hour, nakasakay na tayo ng jeep. Day 1. First, nagpicture-picture muna kami and nag-shoot kami ng prenup. Joke lang, parody. Ito si Christian and Hannah, Ihingyon TV crew. Pagkatapos naming nag-video, nag-meeting kami para mag-video ulit kasi sinusulit na namin ang time namin dito sa Baguio. So yun guys, mag-video kami ng comedy as usual. Doon sana sa Igorot Garden pero bawal daw mag-video doon, sabi ng guard, need mo daw ng permit. Kaya bumalik na lang kami sa Burnham Park.
Gawa pa kami ng content to be posted later on. See you guys! Follow Ihingyon TV and
like and follow.
And nice on you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Can we ask if where is the nearest restroom?
Yeah. You see this? The point of my finger? Go there.
So yun guys, napagod kami, nagutom kami, kaya pumunta kaming kumain. And after that, pumunta kaming SM para hintayin yung sunset. And syempre, mag-picture-picture na din. And after that, the day 1 ends. Day 2. Thank you pala sa uncle ni Shadrach kasi doon tayo natulog for 2 nights. So yun guys, pumunta ulit kaming town para mag-video ng Nang Dahil sa Taluan. Bumalik kami sa Igorot Garden para mag-video at wala yung guard na nagsasabing bawal mag-video kaya nag-video na kami. Pero ewan ko kung bawal talaga. Ang alam ko is yung drone ang need ng permit. Pero I don't know, just leave a comment kung ano ba talaga.
Makalayo hinoaayo taluan, imbanga din na on number ya.
And that evening, may konting racket tayo para naman may pambiling pasalubong pauwing Ifugao.
The day is here, wake up child, maybe we'll make pancakes, it's been a while. I hear your song and your little feet running down the stairs now to greet me. Oh, how I love to see your smile.
So ayun, let's call it a day. Day 3, last day na natin dito sa Baguio City and of course, as usual, mag-jeep tayo kasi medyo hindi natin afford yung taxi. And since it's Sunday ngayon and religious tayo, we acknowledge God in everything. Kaya naki-church muna tayo. Alright, thank you Lord. And since it's Sunday ngayon, tara sa Season Road. Spotted it bro. Ay!
Configurator? Sticker? Sige. Wala pa, hindi pa final yung ano namin, yung logo namin, kaya wala pang printed ano. Next time siguro.
Thank you.
the rest of the afternoon, before going home, kasama natin si Hyper Jofel, ang pinaka-hyper na vlogger ng Ifugao from Kiangan, Ifugao. Maliban sa pinaka-hyper, siya din ang may pinakamaraming buzzers. Yeah.
So yun po guys. Hi guys. So this is our last day here in Baguio. Yeah, last day here. Yeah. So we need to do more. What? Magami naman. So hi guys. So this day is the last day. Last day namin dito sa Baguio City. Baguio City. And then ang masasabi ko dito sa Baguio is napakaganda. Napakaganda. Tulad niya. So, tulad niya na yung nakita ko kanina. Ton. Then, uwi na tayo sa realidad. What's up?
Buko juice, 30 pesos. Buko juice daw. Water pala. Bukod spring pala. Kala ko buko. So ayun na nga guys, andito na tayo sa Ifugao. Home sweet home. Anyways, this vlog is 1 year in the making. So ngayon ko lang inedit for more than 1 year. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.